And on behalf of Minister Ritz and the Government of Canada, I'm proud to announce that we're investing close to $900,000 to support the Canadian Swine Exporters Association international marketing export efforts. These funds will help industry attend international trade shows, and I understand the President is currently out of the country on a trade mission, as well as to host foreign swine industry buyers, potential buyers, and decision makers to demonstrate firsthand the benefits of Canadian purebred genetics. It's a terrific example of what we are trying to achieve with our investments in competitiveness and market development. Through investments in innovation, we can best position farmers and processors to capitalize on opportunities for the future.
Yeah, you can talk to each other.
I'd like to thank the Government of Canada and Agriculture Canada for their continued support in our marketing efforts around the world in selling swine genetics. It's an important industry not only to the pork producers, but it's also an important industry to Canada to bring in foreign dollars, and that's something that we're able to do very successfully. Canada has the best reputation for swine genetics. Our foreign buyers choose Canada as the #1 supplier, and it's because of our high health and good quality swine genetics that they come back and have repeat orders as well as new orders.